Hi, happy festive season to you. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You're watching Get Your Sax Together, and on this show you're going to learn how to play the Christmas classic Santa Claus is Coming to Town. It's December again, and that's opened the gates on Get Your Sax Together for more Christmas classics, and what could be more Christmassy than Santa Claus is Coming to Town. You can get the free PDF for this just by using the URL you can see there, or click the link in the description. The version I've based it on is the kind of Sinatra type Michael Bublé arrangement, as opposed to the kind of poppier Michael Jackson one. Maybe I'll do that next year if everyone wants that one. So you're going to see all the notes come up on screen, all the fingerings, and all the note names as well. So it's absolutely foolproof. I'll play it through once, and then you can play it yourself with the backing track. In case you don't know how to slow down YouTube, here's a quick reminder. If you're watching YouTube on your desktop computer, go to the settings cogwheel and then select playback speed, and then finally select the speed that you'd like to play it back. If you're on mobile, touch the screen, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then select playback speed, and again select the speed that you'd like to practice at. So that's how you slow things down if you can't play it up to full speed straight away. Now, a little note about the middle section. When the big band roars in, I've put some notes on screen that you can improvise to. It's a blues scale that you can use, which is going to fit along with the big band section. So have fun, experiment with a little bit of your own improvisation in that middle bit. Right, here we go. I'm going to play it through once. You're going to hear my own improvisation, but you can make up your own one, of course. Once I've played it, the backing track is going to run for you to play. So happy Christmas. Hope you enjoy. Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Hope you enjoyed learning this Christmas classic, and remember, once you've learnt the notes, definitely make up your own rhythms, jazz it up a bit. You can even use that blues pentatonic from the middle section anywhere else in the tune and really make it your own, because it's a bit boring as it is, isn't it? But it's a good place to start. So make it your own, put your own stamp on it, and I hope you have fun with Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Next week, there's going to be another great Christmas classic. I don't know what it's going to be yet. Maybe you could put some suggestions actually down in the comments. Don't forget to get your free PDF for this Christmas song. And until next week, practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Oh yeah, I should say about the middle. That you can improvise along to. It's a basic major... You're going to get another...